At Hexatron Technologies, we specialize in cutting-edge optical solutions for LED lighting. Today, we're comparing our Plexi diffuser sheets to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Meet our lineup: Plexi 94, 90, 85, 75, 70, and 58. The numbers represent their light transmittance percentage, helping you balance brightness and diffusion. Higher transmittance means greater light efficiency. Plexi 94 and 90 offer the highest brightness, but for most applications, Plexi 85 and 75 are the most popular choices, providing the perfect balance between brightness and diffusion. Plexi 70 and 58 are specifically designed for low-depth lighting fixtures, ensuring soft and uniform illumination where space is limited. From sleek office luminaires to high-end architectural lighting, our Plexi diffusers provide the perfect balance of efficiency and aesthetics. Looking for the ideal diffuser solution? Contact Hexatron Technologies today, and let's illuminate the future efficiently.